A smartwatch with a built-in flashlight, a 30-day standby battery, HD Bluetooth calling, and about 105 sports modes for just 260 Ghana cedis. So let's see if Oraimo actually delivered with this watch Lumos N. So straight from the box, you get the watch Lumos N itself, a magnetic charging cable with no pins. You just snap it on it, a welcome guide, and they added a free extra silicone strap. So you have two straps in the box, and that alone gives you something different, or you have different looks with the same watch. It also has a clean packaging, nothing feels cheap when opening it, and the first impressions always matter, and it's worth the 260 Ghana cedis. The link to purchase is in the description, and you can get it cheaper if you use the promo code Kwame Fortune for a special discount. Now let's talk about the physical watch. It has a dimensions of 53.8 by 42.25 by 11.8 millimeters. So that's a solid and comfortable size, nothing too big, and it's not that small. It was made up of ABS, PC, and zinc alloys. It's very lightweight and doesn't feel flimsy. So the screen also comes with 2.01 inches TFT display with also a 240 by 296 resolution. So in person you can see the screen is bright, the colors pop, and everything is sharp. Just that you can't compare it to an AMOLED or a better display. And Oraimo also puts anti-scratch panda glass on this, so the same kind of glass you see on phones that cost way more, so you are getting some kind of solid protection with this watch. Yeah, so this is the feature that made Oraimo name this watch the Watch Lumos M. Yeah, so there's a flashlight built onto the watch on your wrist, so as you can check from the video, and it's not a gimmick, it actually works. So it's just about, let's say, late night jogs, power cut, or finding your keys in the dark. This watch can actually help you find it. There's no other smartwatch at this price, so all you have to do is just to go to your settings, look for the flashlight, and just toggle it on and off. And as you can see, in dark spaces it's very bright and it can get the job done. Yeah, so Oraimo has inbuilt AI generated watch faces into the watch, so you can swap from style to style based on your mood or outfit. And some are your basic digital clock faces, and some are actually designed, so you can even personalize it to look different styles, of which I'm going to talk about when we get to the app and the customizations. Yeah, so you first connect it to the Bluetooth, and you later open the Oraimo Health app. That's where we can make some adjustments to the watch and customize it. So make sure you also connect it to the app, and you tap on it so you can see, you can sync it with your phone, Bluetooth call, and you have your dial center where you have access to numerous designs and watch faces you can choose from. Your style or your vibe, you can also customize it to your own by either uploading it straight from your phone or your device. You also have the chance to use AI prompts to enter a text prompt, so they generate the watch faces for you. So we are going to try some for yourself. You can see your normal dials over there, so you just click on it and you enter any prompt. So let's use maybe a boy with a car or something that you can imagine with your mind, and the AI will just create it for you using the prompt that you use. And after that, it will generate the picture for you. But this AI or text to image generator is in its beta form, so it might make mistakes. So you can regenerate 30 times per prompt, so you can see this is what it generated. You can also allow notification from SMS, Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and a whole lot, Snapchat, and a whole lot. So this watch actually does a lot, and you can rely on it by not using your phone that much. You have your favorite sports modes, you can set it up, and so the blind and oxygen is very accurate. You just make sure you hold the watch, or you just strap it very tightly so you can be able to read well and give you accurate results from that. So this is me also checking my heart rate by just holding it close. I wasn't able to just tie it, but make sure your strap is very fitted. After some few seconds, the result will be on the screen, and you can be able to know whether it's very high, very low, or you can just contact your health practitioner for some advice on that. Yeah, but the watch gives you accurate readings, and the other styles like the pressure, the workout mode, the outdoor, indoor exercises, your calories, and a whole lot from this watch. So you can just choose the one that works best for you. You can even check stuff like the steps you took a day, the calories you burnt, and a whole lot with this watch. A single charge can take, let's say, 30 minutes or 1 hour, but this watch can stand 30 days on standby. So if the watch is just sitting idle, you can go for 30 days. without going also. This tells you how the 300 milliamp hour battery is very powerful for watch this price. And you can see it has some custom or just quick specs, and I really love how detailed the silicone watch strap is, and they even added a different one just to change the looks of your watch. And Oraimo is just giving you this the HD calls. You can just dial numbers straight from your phone and just call someone, and even the person on the other side can even testify how clear the audio is from the watch Lumos end. So let me know if you grab this watch or not, and drop your personal experience with this watch so far, and always like, subscribe and share this video as well.